Guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanis here, and I'm here with another video on Money Dogs. They have recently just listed their token called Mdog. And of course, a lot of people are very happy, but a lot of people are also complaining and are very sad. So firstly, kindly subscribe to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how much I made and how much you can actually make from Money Dogs. So firstly, subscribe of course, and you can also join our WhatsApp community where I'll be giving details of everything and dropping airdrop alerts. So basically, as you can see here, Mex listed this project at 0.004 0.0048, which is almost 0.0005, which of course is a very great price. Like, wow, they even did much more better than Tom Market that had a total supply of 1 trillion. So basically, this is very huge, and they started with a market cap of about 144.89 USDT. Wow, that's great. If this is their current market cap, of course, which is not so, and the circulating supply is about 900 billion, but actually is 899 billion. So if that's the market cap, then it means that the FDV, which is the fully diluted evaluation, will be around times 2.1, will be around 300 million. So imagine, guys, 300 million, but basically it's currently about 200 million. So it actually increased. They reach a market cap of 200 million USDT. This project is huge. Guys, don't skip this video, just watch till the very end. I'm going to show you guys a couple of things more. So once you go to this place and you click on Mdogs, as you can see, those are the start transaction I did. I did a couple of ton transaction also, and I was able to gather. Of course, in my previous video I actually underestimated Money Dogs. I did not expect them to perform this well, and well, they really surprised a lot of us. Money Dogs have outdone themselves. I can boldly say that they are one of the best projects on Ton. With this approach that they used, I now understand why they did that, but we just have to pray that the token doesn't dump that much. So firstly, as you can see, my current allocation is 3.4 million on this particular account, and if I click on unlock Mdogs, you see that I will be getting 286 Mdogs every 23rd until January 2026. Every 23rd of every month, until starting from February until January 26th. So of course, a lot of persons have actually withdrawn their blah blah blah. So you see, this on-chain withdrawal hasn't been made available yet, so calm down, it will be made available very soon. Projects don't usually make on-chain withdrawal available, so if you missed out on the off-chain withdrawal, which is to exchanges, you can't actually withdraw for now. You have to wait a little bit first before you can withdraw. So as you can see, this is the current price for Money Dogs. Here is I'm currently on BitGet. This is quite sad. I'm currently on BitGet. As you can see, the current price is that 0.001. So do you really think that this would actually last? They listed as 0.0005, 0.0005, or 0.0004. This is the highest point they got to. I know a couple of persons sold, because I think a couple of persons were able to get their tokens out and they were able to sell, and they made a couple. I heard someone made $100 and something from just selling 100 and something thousand tokens. So that's good news for him. It's actually his luck. For the rest of us, we are not that lucky. So you see, the token has dumped. So before, see the way the price is going, you can check the price action right here. It's just falling. So what we are praying for, it's maybe a whale should enter this market and pump the token up, because this we are actually open for this. We are just praying that we just have to hope for it to happen so that they can pump the token up and we can get some money. But even if this is actually the current price and this will be the price basically until next month, it means that I'm going to be making about $28 from it, and I did not spend up to $300. Let's just see. Let me just show you something. This is the current price now. 0.00116 times 45 million, sorry, 3.4 million. Yeah, so that's about $400, which of course is way much than what I spent on the project. So it's still a lot. That's like almost 6 times of what I spent on the project. So it's a good return. I actually underestimated this project. They listed well, they did well, but the thing is the token will dump before we can access our token, our airdrop. So just have that at the back of your mind. Rejoice over the listing price, but know that the token will dump. So that's just it for this video. And of course, you can also join our WhatsApp community, and also you can join Spark Chain, a dipping project, of link in the description, of course. And you can check the channel. I will be dropping the link, of course, also on how to mine Spark Chain, which is a dipping project that is going to pay very hugely, and also SOS backed by Solana network. These projects are going to do very well. They are a minimum of $100 projects. They have about $55 million in funding. Funding is not the market cap. Funding is the money that they are actually putting into. So market cap will now come from more investors which are coming to put money into the project. So it might get up to $500 million. So anyway, you can also use the link in the description and join all those ones. And thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next one. Stay tuned for more information. Thanks.